Hello and welcome. This is Mudassir Afras from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will learn about hatch. So what is hatch? Hatch are different kind of patterns, and if you want to show some specific material in an object, you can use hatch. So let's see how we can use hatch. Hatch command is in draw panel under home tab. You can see this is the hatch option, so you will just click here. This window will appear in front of you, or you can use this command H, then you will press enter. Okay, so this window will be appear in front of you. So let's see how we can use this. For example, here you can see different types of options. Just click here in pattern in this dotted area. Okay, here different kinds of patterns are available. So for example, I want to use here NC131. Okay, in this object. So I will just click there. I will press OK. Now there is one option, add select object. So I will select this object by clicking this button. Okay, now it is just giving me option that select the object. So I will just select the whole object, then I will press enter. Okay, now you can see the preview from here. Now you can see this one. This is the preview for this. Okay, NC131. This is looking fine. So I will press enter again. Okay, and if this is acceptable for me, I will just click OK. Now this is how we can add hatch in an object. Again, for example, here I want to just draw a rectangle and I want to show some bricks here. Okay, for example, this is a brick wall and I want to show this here a bricks. Okay, for that I will just go again into the hatch. I will enter a H and then I will press enter. Now I will go here. Okay, patterns, and you can use other predefined pattern. From here there are different type of materials. Okay, you can see here concrete is here, and for example bricks are here. So I want to show here sand as well is here, bricks. So I will just click, I will press OK. Now what I will do, I will just click on this one, add select object. So I will select this object, then I will press enter. Then again I will go into the preview. I will check the preview. So preview is looking fine. So this is how we can use hatch command. Now there is one more option. Just click OK here, and you can see add pick point. So let's see how we can use this one. So I will press OK. Now for example, if you want to use hatch in this kind of area, for example this is not combined area, so if you want to just hatch in this kind of area, you will use that option pick point. Okay, I will just enter H. Okay, again I will go into the pattern. You can choose any of the pattern. For example, I want to choose angle here, and then I will press OK. So I will just select here pick point. So I will select this one. Now whenever you will just inside this boundary, this hatch will be in front of you. So I will click here and then I will press enter. Then I will go into the preview. Preview is looking fine. So these were two options, pick point and add object. Okay, now there are some more options. Let's see how to use them. I will just press space bar to activate hatch command again. So I will press this one. Now you can see here some of the option isolate. Okay, here this is the normal, outer and ignore. So let's see how we can use these options as well. So for example, I will select here normal and I will apply the hatch. Okay, I will go here add object. Now I will select this object. Okay, now I will press enter. Now I will go into the preview. Now you can see that outer boundary is filled with hatch and inner is skipped, and then last one is again hatched. So this is the normal option. Okay, now let's see what is the outer option. As you can see in the figure, this kind of hatch will be in outer. Okay, so I will select this one. I will go into the preview. Now you can see it is only filled on outer. Okay, so that what mean of outer. Again I will go and I will just select ignore. So it will fill whole of the shape. For example, I will select this one. I will go into the preview. You can see it's filled whole the shape. Okay, so these are some options like normal, outer and ignore. Okay, sometime this kind of window will be appear, and if you want to appear that options, you will just click here on these arrows. So these option will be appear. Again you can see here one more option, that is gradient. So let's see how to use gradient hatch. So for example, here is one shape. Okay, here is one shape of car. So we will use gradient hatch on this car. So I will just press space bar to activate the hatch. I will go into the gradient. From here I will choose the color. for example 2 colors, so I can just choose from here and I will choose this color. Okay, and I will press OK. Now I will just enter a option of pick points. Okay, so I will select this one and you can choose any of the point. For example, I want to choose this point, so I will click here, then again this one, this one, this one. Okay, then I will just enter space bar. I will go into the preview. I will check the preview. So preview is looking fine. I will again press space bar and then I will press OK. Now this is what gradient hedge is. Again I will just press space bar to activate the hedge. I will go into the gradient. I can choose any other color from here as well. So for example, I want to choose this kind of color. Okay, white. I will press OK and pick point. Then I will choose this area. Okay, this area. Okay, and this area. So you can choose any of the color from there, and I am giving you just the procedure. I will press enter. Now I will go into the preview and preview is looking fine. Okay, so this is how we can use gradient hedge as well. So then I will press space bar and I will press OK if it is fine for you. Now this is what gradient hedge is all about. So I hope you understand the hedge and the gradient hedge. I will see you in the next.